There is the forest of the mountains, crashing here and there with bushes, wanders the Patasola, enemy of men, beset by an ancient foul possessed. The horror of his own appearance never stops at his vertigo of hatred and fear. There goes the devious and distant age and hard-tongued villains, jumping with bare paw away from the ticket. Companion tigers and spiders, cheated with the exorbitant penalty love, Patasola, haze weather, blue skies and sunrise. His kingdom belongs to the twilight and dark nights of the moon on the snowflake trees. Vampiric day, evil genius of the mountains. The Patasola has the power of metamorphosis, change horrible woman, feline chief, bullying age, beautiful, frightening girl, and mirage in the trees.